Good morning, students. I am Professor Nitin Kagalia from Saga Group of Institutions, Bhopal. The topic that today we would be discussing is related to product. We would be discussing the product decisions today. So, first of all, coming to the definition of product, what is a product? A product is anything that can be offered in a market for attention, acquisition, use, or consumption that might satisfy a need or want. And what is a service? A service is an activity of benefit that one party can offer to another that is essentially intangible and does not result in the ownership of anything. So the difference between the product and a service is product is something that is tangible. You can touch it, you can see it, you can feel it. Wherein service is some activity or benefit that you are taking in return of some payment or something, and but you don't get the ownership. You don't become the owner of that service. So to give example, a product, it can be a fan, it can be a washing machine, it can be an air conditioner, it can be a television, it can be a mobile phone, it can be a watch. Okay. And service, you take a taxi from your home to railway station, it is a service, right? You go to a saloon for the haircut or something, it is a service. So you don't become the owner in the service. Well, in the case of product, you pay the price as required by the company or the distributor, retailer, whatever, and you become the owner of the product. Experiences represent what buying the product or service will do for the customer. So during this session, during this lecture, whenever I talk about the product, it is assumed that it can be a product, it can be a service. Okay, now the levels of product and services. So in today's competitive world, we have one actual product, what satisfied the needs and wants of the customer, and we have the augmented product. Augmented product is something that extra consumer wants or the customer wants from the company or the manufacturer. We'll discuss the difference in the actual product and the augmented product with an example. So we can see there are five product levels described here. So we have product levels like core benefit, basic product, expected product, augmented product, and potential product. To describe the core benefit, see, the core benefit is the fundamental need or want that consumers satisfy by consuming the product or services. What I mean by the fundamental need is when you go and stay in a hotel. So what you want a sleep. So basically you are buying a sleep. Whenever you buy a drill machine, so what is the core benefit that you get? You can make holes in the wall or in the furniture, whatever, right? So this is the core benefit of the product, right? Now comes the basic product. So basic product is a version of the product containing only those attributes or characteristics absolutely necessary for it to function. Now coming to the, I'll give the same example that I gave in the core benefit, that when you book a hotel, you go to a hotel. So what is the core benefit? You want to have a sound sleep. So what is the basic product in a hotel? You need a bed, you need a pillow. It is what you need in a hotel. There has to be a room, there has to be a bed, there has to be a pillow, a blanket, whatever. Right. So this is the basic product. Now, what is expected product? Expected product is, again, when you go to the room, it is the set of attributes or characteristics that buyers normally expect and agree to when they purchase the product. So in our previous example of the hotel, we see what is the expected product. When you go to a hotel, you want a neat and clean bed sheet, neat and clean pillow cover, clean towels, soap. Okay, so this is the expected product now in current scenario. What the customers who are reaching a hotel expect. Now, what is the augmented product? Augmentation in this case is inclusion of additional features, benefits, attributes, or related services that serve to differentiate the product from its competitors. Right. So, augmented product can be, in this case, you want a LED TV with a DTH connection and a remote control. So you see how core benefits or the basic product has reached to an augmentation where, in addition to the bed, the clean bed sheet, the clean towels, now what we are expecting? We want a LCD or an LED TV, a bigger screen TV with a remote and DTH. And what is the potential product? All the augmentations and transformations a product might undergo in future. So maybe a suite room in a hotel can be a potential product, or maybe some other versions what people in this industry are looking for. Okay, so we will discuss up till here in today's class. We will continue the topic in the next class. Thank you.